See what the seagulls do first thing in the morning here in Centennial Park? They're in here to get the dew worms. You get some rain. It's very mild up here. It's October 15th. So we're mid-October right now. And these guys just love it because when the rain comes, the dew worms come up to the surface of the beautiful lawn. Nice. And there's the ocean right there. Perfect place for seagulls to hang out. Centennial Park and Ganges on Salt Spring Island. And they don't make as much mess as those Canada geese. Canada geese make a hell of a mess.